I think to look at government green policy in terms of manufacturing and SMEs in particular, you need to start with the industrial strategy. And that is the first problem as far as manufacturing is concerned, that governments haven't really got an industrial strategy. Therefore, when they put green legislation on top of this, it tends to lead to various different issues and different challenges. The other thing that I think we need to remember in terms of green policy and SMEs is that in this regard, many SMEs are not early adopters. Therefore, there needs to be some sort of carrot and stick policy in place, and not just you must become carbon neutral or whatever the terminology applied to it is. Many SMEs will deal with larger organisations and will aim to be on the supply chain of larger organisations, and it's inevitably going to affect them from that point of view. But I think we need to look at some sort of incentive as part of the overall green policy. Lots of SMEs are very innovative in their work. They tend to be smaller businesses, they can pivot quite quickly, they are great at changing things and developing different products based on what's going on and what their customers require. Therefore, I think what we're looking at is some greater incentive in the line of R&D. The R&D tax relief is the most generous tax relief there is available in this area, but as it stands at the moment, with the movements to corporation tax, R&D rates are not going with it. There needs to be various different considerations there. I think there also needs to be a look at the wider incentives that could be available in that area to help SMEs get on that green journey.